Are you drowning in a sea of stuff? Are you completely overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Or are you just too busy? Do you dream of walking into your home, taking a deep breath, and feeling totally at ease? I'm Kim, and I'm here to help. When working with my clients, the main things that I look for to help them get decluttered and organized are: do you love it? Is it functional? And does it fit? My experience as a professional organizer, stager, designer, and coach has really informed my work. What I'm known for is my empathetic approach balanced with humor to help my clients uncover the deeper issues behind their clutter. Although the end result creates a functional, enjoyable, beautiful space, it's getting to the core issue that's often the greatest reward. I'm there to listen. Everyone's clutter has a story to tell. But those stories go to show how much stuff can hold memories and how important they are to people and how difficult it can be to let go. What I love in working with my clients overall is they're at transition points in their lives. They really need me to help them get from where they are to where they want to be, with this oasis of calm where they love their space. I'm Kim Sneath, and I'm here to transform your space so you can transform your life.